YouTube, what's going on? Wanye Films, welcome to another vlog. Today, it's all about street photography. I went out and I shot some street photos. Me and a few friends went up to New York to purchase a Aputure light dome for the Aputure 120D Mark II that I got coming in the mail. Stick around because you don't want to miss this one. What up?
See where we at, baby. I'm on my tourism shit right here.
Yo, Wayne's been filming the whole time.
How you doing?
I don't care.
Have a good day.
We made it out to New York. That was our plans. We got there bright and early, and I went over to Adorama because this light dome that I went and got, I couldn't find it anywhere. I searched on Amazon, I searched on B&H, I searched on even the Aputure website. I couldn't even find this light dome at the company. They told me we're heavily back ordered, have a limited stock, and you're just probably not going to be able to find it right now. Sorry if the wind is loud. Of course, every time I film outside, the wind always overpowers me. I got to work on getting a better dead cat, but for now, I reached out to Adorama, and to my surprise, they actually had the light dome that I was looking for. It's the Aputure Light Dome 2. It goes along with the Aputure 120D Mark II that just came out last month. Even though I had the light coming in the mail, it wasn't even shipped out yet. They didn't even, until this minute, it still hasn't been shipped out yet. And it's supposed to arrive tomorrow. So I said, you know what, while I'm out there, let me see if they have the light here, and I'll get it here and I'll cancel what I ordered on Amazon. Well, long story short, they didn't have the light that I was looking for, and as you can see, this guy right here,
I don't want to be in your video, guys, okay?
Alright.
he didn't want to be filmed, which is crazy to me because it was a camera shop, and I'm sure we're dead smack in the middle of New York, and I told him that. When he said he didn't want to be filmed, I told him, I'm sure we're not the only people that come in here and film, and his response to that was, I still don't want to be filmed, which we respected it, and we moved on. We left and we set out to see what New York had in store for us.
Me in Manhattan right now, baby. See the beautiful buildings. It's life out here.
We're trying to find Casey right now. Casey Neistat.
We're looking for him on his motorboard.
On his booster board. Alright, so right now we're just looking for a spot to take some photos.
Looking for the subway. We're headed to Broadway right now. About a block away.
The first thing I did was Alright, so the first thing I did is I went and got a time lapse of New York City. After I did the time lapse, I took a photo of people walking by, and I happened to catch a lady, this lady right here, with the blue sweater on. I believe she brought life to the photo. I like it. The building in the background, I wanted to get the whole thing, but it was so big, we were so close to the building. I was using a 16mm, so I didn't quite get the whole building, as you can see in the photo, but I love the way this photo came out. If I was just a little further back and the lady was more in the background, as opposed to her being in the foreground, I could have got the building a lot better. My composition would have been a lot better, but as you know, this is all a learning process, and I'm so glad that you guys are here to experience it with me. After this scene right here, we decided to go off to the subway and take the subway up to 42nd Street in Times Square. We got off at Port Authority, but before we got on the train, we got some photos of just people walking by and, just capturing life in the moment. And these are some photos right here. Well, how much are the cigarettes?
Yeah, how much are cigarettes? No? If you did have them, how much would you charge?
$13.
$30?
$13.
$13?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Is there smoking down here or no? No smoking. No. That's why there's no cigarettes.
Oh, I got you.
So after taking those photos, the train finally arrived. It did take a little while for the train to show up, and we were on a time limit. I didn't get as much photos as I would like to while I was out there, but all in all, the day was a success. We tackled everything we wanted to do, starting with getting the Aperture light dome, which once my light arrives, you already know I'm going to be doing a review on that video next. We had a lot of fun. Just a day to get away. If that's all you need, doing photography, doing video for me, it has a lot to do with being able to clear my mind. For me, it's a de-stressor. I had a long, busy week with work and anything else. For me to pick up a camera and get out and enjoy and focus on just one thing and one thing only, and that's creating content for you guys. And honestly, I can't think of anything better to do. If somebody came to me and said, what do you want to do for the rest of your life? This is it right here. And it's the only thing that keeps me going in the right direction, keeping a level head. This is where I'm gonna wrap the vlog up. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button. It'll help my channel grow. Along with that, hit the subscribe button. That too will also allow my channel to grow. And that's all I'm trying to do. Being an up-and-coming creator is kind of hard to build a community within your channel if you don't have an audience to watch your stuff. So one thing to keep in mind, you always want to stay consistent. I say this in a lot of my vlogs. As long as you stay consistent, everything else works on its own. Keep putting out content, keep doing videos. If you don't like your videos, upload them. You know, somebody out there is gonna like them. And that's the whole beauty of it. Just because you don't like it doesn't mean somebody else won't. But yeah, now I'm just rambling on. Go ahead, give me a like, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.